to your edited portrait. Select the plus sign above your finished portrait, choose color, select your color from the wheel. I'm going to choose blue for this because here she looks drained. And then you're going to change the properties of that layer by tapping it. You can play with either the opacity, lowering it. I'm going to choose to play with the blend mode. And you'll see different filters here. If you choose color, you can see through to your image and it looks pretty solid. I might go back and play with the opacity a little bit to lower it if I don't want it to be so blue, or leave it if I like it. Further, you can cut parts of that layer out. If I choose basic here, lower the hardness of my brush down to 0 so it's blends. And if I want to subtract some of the blue, I can now go ahead and remove some of that. And you can play with this, just have fun with it, experiment with it, see what gets you what you want in your image. And by the way, when you're cutting parts of this out, if there's something you don't like, either undo it or change the property of the brush. Like if I have to add something back in, maybe I have to make my size smaller because I took away too much here. And I don't like what that did to the headband, so I might add that part back in. I'll continue cleaning this up.